What's up Pinas? Ito ang Santuario del Santo Cristo Palace Church or kilala dating Church of San Juan del Monte. The church and convent were built in the 1602 to 1604 by the Dominican province of the Most Holy Rosary on a site donated by Capitan Julian de Cuenca. The present church and convent, constructed in 1774, were used by the insurgent forces of the Revolution of 1898. This sanctuary is the seat of the Confraternity of the Santissimo Cristo de San Juan del Monte, approved by Pope Innocent. Ang Santuario del Santo Cristo Palace Church ay masasabi natin na isa sa pinakamatandang simbahan sa Pilipinas na magtatagpuan dito sa San Juan City. At sa mahabang panahon, patuloy pa rin ang mga misa at pagdiriwang sa Santuario del Santo Cristo Palace Church bilang isang simbolo ng pananampalataya at tradisyon sa San Juan City.